Hello everyone, today we'll cover the vocabulary of Unit 6. Let's begin. Turn to page 126. Device. Device is a machine or tool that does a special job. Synonym of gadget. Device for doing something, device to do something. A prosthetic replacement. A prosthetic replacement. A prosthetic replacement. A prosthetic replacement refers to an artificial device designed to replace a missing body part such as a limb or joint, helping restore function and appearance. Examples. After losing his leg in an accident, he received a prosthetic replacement to help him walk again. Wrist. Wrist is the part of your body where your hand joins your arm. You can say on your wrist, around your wrist. You can wear a watch on your wrist. You can wear a bracelet on your wrist. Grip. Grip means firm hold, the way you hold something tightly or your ability to do this. Hold the microphone in a firm grip and keep it still. Take it for granted. Take it for granted means to believe that something is true without making sure. It is easy to take your health for granted until you face a serious illness. Or many people take the safety of their daily commute for granted. Pay off. If something that you do pays off means it is successful or has a good result. Teamwork paid off. Her hard work paid off and she got the promotion. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is a method of getting money for something, for example, a new film or album, by asking many people to give part of the money needed, often on the internet. The project was funded through a successful crowdfunding campaign on the internet. Page 128. Design means to make a drawing or plan of something that will be made or built. Design for, or you can say well designed or badly designed. She designed a new logo for the company. Develop. You can develop a new idea, you can develop a new product, you can develop a new system. It means you design and make those things over a period of time. Diagram. As you see in the pictures, diagram is a simple drawing or plan that shows exactly where something is, what something looks like, or how something works. You can say a diagram of the heating system. Discover means find. To find someone or something either by accident or because you were looking for them. So synonym of discover is find. The body was discovered in a field. Invent means to make, design, or think of a new type of thing. So when you invent something, you make it for the first time. She decided to invent a new recipe using only ingredients from her pantry. Scientific is related to science or using its methods. Example, we believe in investing in scientific research, scientific community, scientific evidence, scientific knowledge. Technology refers to new machines, equipment, and ways of doing things that are based on modern knowledge about science and computers. You can talk about modern technology or advances in technology or new developments in technology. Page 133. Comparison means you compare and contrast two things. So you make a comparison. When you make a comparison, it means you evaluate two or more things by examining their similarities or differences. So you analyze how these items relate to each other to understand their relative merits or characteristics. Example, a comparison of pollution levels in Chicago and Detroit, or comparison between. The article makes a comparison between the two poems. So you can draw a comparison or make a comparison. But in written English, people often say draw a comparison. In spoken English, make a comparison. Decision. Decision is a choice or judgment that you make after a period of discussion or thought. Decision to do something, decision about, decision on, decision as to which, decision as to whether, decision as to who. You can make a decision or take a decision. Take a decision is British English. Make a decision is American English. Make a contribution. Make a contribution. Make a contribution. When you make a contribution, it means you give or do something in order to help something be successful. Example, she wanted to make a contribution to the community by volunteering at the local shelter. Or everyone can make a contribution to the charity by donating a small amount of money. Make a difference or make the difference. It means to have an important effect or influence on something or someone. Whatever she did, it made no difference. Make an attempt. Make an attempt means you try to do something, especially something difficult. She made several attempts to escape. Make an investment in. Make an investment in. It means you use money to get a profit or to make a business activity successful, or the money that is used. That year, Japanese investment in American real estate totaled, for example, $13. To make improvements. Make improvements. Make improvements means to enhance or better something by making changes or adjustments. It involves refining or upgrading an object, process, or situation to achieve better results or outcomes. The company decided to make improvements to their software based on user feedback. To make public. Make public. Make public means to release or share information, details, or content so that it is available to everyone rather than keeping it private or confidential. The company decided to make public the results of their latest research study. Page 136. Access. Access. Access here means you're able to use something. Many customers now access their accounts using the internet. You can access the online course materials anytime from your computer. Allow, allow, allow. Allow means you let someone do something. You permit someone to do something. We say allow someone to do something, or something is allowed. Example, her boss allows her to work from home. Working from home is allowed. It means the boss lets her work from home, or the boss permits her to do the job at home. App. App is the short form of application. So it's a piece of computer software that does a particular job. You can download an app that reminds you of things you have to do. She downloaded a new app. Or you can say, I use an app. The app crashed. Someone can create an app. Computer engineers can create an app. Create. Create. Create means to make something. So you make something exist that did not exist before. Some people believe the universe was created by a big explosion or Big Bang. Industry. Industry. Industry means businesses that produce a particular type of thing or provide a particular service. I work in the oil industry, the technology industry, or fashion industry. What else? Film industry, energy, renewable energy industry. Install, install, install. Install is to add new software to a computer so that it is ready to be used. Opposite of uninstall. We have installed new antivirus software. Product. Product is something that is grown or made in a factory in large quantities, usually in order to be sold. You can talk about agricultural products, dairy products, software products, skincare products. User. User is someone or something that uses a product or service. Road users, computer users, library users. So that's it for today. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. See you later. Bye-bye.